I'm John O'Donnell. I'm founder and Chief Innovation Officer of Rondo Energy. We build infrastructure for industry. We build a new kind of energy storage to deliver industrial boilers and furnaces that are powered by the wind and the sun. We build what we call heat batteries that store energy as heat. We store energy by heating brick to well over 1,000 C to store energy at a much lower cost than other kinds of energy storage. And what we build are units that are drop-in industrial boilers and furnaces, repowering industries making everything from baby food to cement and steel. And the company has huge interest in Australia because the places we create value are the places where renewable energy is cheap. And there are major industries that use large amounts of energy. Australia is a poster child for that. This conference is, I believe, the first focused on renewable heat in Australia and educating the ecosystem, bringing together the technology providers, the generators, the users, and the government. That's what's going to drive action here. We are focusing on decarbonizing industrial heat because it is the one portion of the world energy use that until now people have said is hard to decarbonize. Hugely excited because we are at this moment where we can see the pieces around us coming together to make that vision possible, and our own journey bringing this technology to scale. Australia has done wonderful work at the industrial level and the government level in assessing where is energy used today, how is it used in different industries, what are the opportunities to increase energy efficiency in those industries. But we are now in an era where how do we exploit intermittency of energy? How do we exploit what's going on in Australia's grid? And my hope for next year's conference is that the technology participants, the government participants, and especially the gentailers, the grid managers, that this conference brings together those, because electrification is an opportunity for renewables developers, gentailers, many folks in the electricity system to make money that they don't understand today, and this is a place for them to learn.